What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Xbox Series Small. Nah, just kidding. I don't know. Okay, the Xbox Series S. You guys see this right here, bro. This is wow. This is incredible. We're gonna be saying what's on this box, and I'm not gonna be setting up in this video. Maybe another one, but yeah, this is the whole freaking Xbox. So we're gonna be opening this right now. But first, we gotta see the box, how it looks like, bro. Sorry if my freaking phone quality of the video is so ass, but like, come on, bro. That's all I have right now, buddy. But you guys can see right here, Xbox Series S. It has a 120 FPS. No disc, of course, so that sucks. So yeah, you guys can see right here. Here's the top, how it looks like. Xbox. You see, ooh, what the heck? What the heck is this, buddy? It's my girlfriend right here. No, I was kidding. As it says, all digital, of course. Damn, look how, dude, my camera quality sucks. Dude, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Yes, see, I already tried to open this thing, and this already freaking got ruined. I already tried to open it and all that stuff. But yeah, it has the features. It is gaming up to 120 FPS. What? Okay, I think it's just a different language, but it has the Xbox Velocity, bro. I don't, man, whatever this thing says, bro. It says it has the 512 solid state drive, so SSD, has a variable refresh rate, has a high dynamic range, and the disc for gaming, of course. So yeah, we're gonna see what's in this, and so let's open it right now. Bam! What the heck? Power your dreams, head ass. Get out of here, bro. This thing looks so small, dude. Like, this thing is so small. But first, we gotta see what's inside this box. So, of course, it's the Xbox right here. Open up here. We got the controller. Wow. Wow, the controller. I want to see how this thing feels like. Because I know it's the same design like the... This is the old gen. It's literally the same... Oh, my God. It's my bed. Oh, my God. Nasty. Deodorant. Put that shit away. It's literally the same design as the old gen, but it has, like, I don't know, better shit, I guess. I don't know. Open this, bro. This thing won't come out. Wow, dude, look at this, bro. Damn, this thing feels amazing. Wow, I got the grips on this. Alright, this thing feels awesome, not gonna lie. But yeah, there's the controller, man. Of course, right here, the packaging. I got the HDMI. This HDMI, this HDMI, is the one that you need for the Xbox for like the 120 frames and all that stuff. That's the HDMI 2.0, I think, whatever you call it. I don't even know. And here's the power cable. I already have a lot. And here's like right here, Laura. Look at that. It's the Xbox One S right here. This is how the Xbox One S looks like. And this is the Xbox Series S, so kind of crazy. So same power cord, of course. So we have some. Come on, bro, come over here, dude. I cannot get it. We got some books and shit. Who's gonna read this, bro? Who's gonna, man, get out of here, bro. So we're gonna open up this thing, man. Dang, this is kind of heavy for a small Xbox. Okay, it's not really that heavy, but it's whatever. So we got this thing. Xbox, of course. We have the setup that I need to download the Xbox app. I already have that in my phone, so that's really good. So it's supposed to come with batteries. I think I already say it's in here, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's basically it. That's like what's inside the box. Dude, this presentation of how the Xbox looks like is amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. So we're gonna be opening up right here. Y'all ready? Oh my God, dude! Look at this freaking boom box. I can play my music, bro. A speaker right here. Y'all know what I'm saying? Alright, so open up right here. And actually take out. Dude, this thing is so damn small, dude. I didn't realize how small this thing is until, like, when I saw it in person, like, right now. Oh, this is the Wii, bro. This is how the Wii looks like. You know, like the Wii. Okay, never mind. That sounds dumb. But, yeah. Dang, this thing feels weird. Wow, dude, that's kind of crazy, man. Next gen, bro. Next freaking gen. Got the freaking speaker, bro. I'm gonna play some music on this. Imagine actually someone like do that, bro. That's pretty funny. But yeah, that's basically it. We got the controller. That's my freaking old controller sign. Yeah. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's the unboxing of the Series S. It's not really that something special, but it is what it is. So yeah, my camera quality suck, but hey guys, that's all I have right now. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys want more videos like this, of course, leave it a like. If you guys like this, if you actually like this video, leave it a like. You know what I'm saying? And subscribe if you're new. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out, bros. Skirt, skirt. Nah, it's kidding. Bro, shut up.